Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jen Rodriguez. Today we are doing another hair review with ilikehair.com.
So we fade in the rhythm.
All right, y'all, let's go ahead and unbox. This is the packaging that it came in with ilikehair.com. I absolutely love the messaging. I am what you have been waiting for. Yes. All right, this is the 18-inch 13 by 6 lace wig, and it's water wave texture. So soft, you guys. I did wash it before putting it on, but this is the texture that it looks like straight out of the box, and there's the lace as well. I will say that as washing, there was a little bit of shedding, but we'll get to that later. Ain't this a cute makeup bag? It came with all the essentials like a headband. It also came with an extra band that you can sew on if you would like to, a makeup brush of some sort, a comb, and a bonnet. Hello, bonnet, with a wig cap and some tweezers. So I'm gonna go ahead and just braid my hair and we'll get to installing this wig. As you can see, I've got my no-slip wigs I'm going to put on too. I probably will still kind of glue it down when I cut the lace, but inside this queen we've got about 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. And then of course you have those 2 bands. You can crisscross or position to make it comfortable for you. All right, y'all, so for me, as I was cutting the wig, I didn't really worry about the sides too much, but I decided to opt more toward leaving a little bit of my hair natural, a little bit of my natural hair out. I just, the lace was a little light for me, so it's kind of hard to blend. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style with Miracle Defrizzing Curl Cream by It's a 10. I love this stuff. It adds so much good slip. If you saw my video on how I wash my headband wigs, it's one of my favorite products to use on curly hair, and it adds a lot of shine. Next, I'm going in with my Eco Styles gel. This just adds a little bit of natural hold without any extra crunch. Again, this is one of my favorite products, but again, I'm looking for some gel recommendations, y'all. If you have a gel that is your go-to, please let me know, because I'm almost running out of this one and I want to switch it up a little bit. All right, you guys, that is my styling with this wig. I do have a video on Instagram I'm going to post with second day hair so you can see how it dried overnight. But overall, I'm in love with this hair. It just had a little bit of shedding that I wasn't too thrilled about. But other than that, it feels really good. I love the headband it came with. All right, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got another hair review coming out before the end of the year, but I will chat with you soon. Bye.